Guys, it is time for a new Bitcoin emergency update video because we just broke the $58,500 support level to the downside, and it's actually not looking all too good. The Bitcoin price still has 6 hours left to close above this very important support level so we don't get a confirmed breakout here, but also on the daily chart. Guys, if we cannot push the Bitcoin price back above this support level, we would even see a daily candle close below our daily EMA ribbons. And in the past, when this happened, we always had to expect some more downside for Bitcoin to come. Always when we close it below, we have to expect at least one more daily candle of downside coming. So in my opinion, right now, the danger is bigger than ever for Bitcoin, because if we are not able to hold this support, you know that the next very important support on the daily time frame is coming in at the $48,000 level. On the weekly time frame, it's already coming in a little bit earlier, but for sure we are going to look in today's video at the smaller time frames to find out, is there any chance of reversing now within the next 6 hours and closing the daily and also the 12-hourly candle above this very, very crucial support and resistance level. Other than that, guys, I'm still in around $3 million worth of Bitcoin long positions. As you guys know, one of my trades is definitely in a big minus at the moment. But this was all calculated because, as you remember, when I opened this trade in my video, I already told you guys the chances of us correcting down to $53,000 are fairly high, and we need to only use a very small leverage of a 4x to ensure that in the worst case of us dropping all the way down to this level of $53,000, that we are not getting liquidated and we rather can scale this trade up to move our average entry point to the downside and then have a very nice long swing trade entry for the rest of this bull run. Because me personally, I don't think that this bull run is over yet. Other than that, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like on this video. Let's reach 2,000 likes. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And guys, make sure to follow the VLaunch Twitter that is linked at the top of the description, because as you guys know, this project will launch within this month. And if you are not following the Twitter and you're not active in the Telegram groups linked in the Twitter bio, you will not be able to get your free IDO allocation. As you guys know, Chris and I are giving out pretty much a huge amount of token, almost all of the initial circulating supply is going to be a completely free IDO allocation for the community. The only thing you have to do to be part of that is to follow the Twitter, to be active in the Telegram groups, post some messages there. You need to join all 3 Telegram groups, and you have to make sure to retweet some tweets, like some tweets. The project is absolutely going crazy, guys. We have tweets, it's insane. 10,000 likes, 8,000 retweets. It's crazy what type of exposure this project is receiving right now. Look at this video here. 200,000 views on a Twitter video. 220,000 views on a Twitter video. This is insane. We are talking about multi-millions of impressions a day sometimes on this Twitter account alone. So make sure you don't miss this, guys. And other than that, let's just jump right into the charts. So as I already showed you now in the beginning of the video, we need to push this 12-hourly and also this daily candle above the $58,500 level so we don't have a very bearish close that would suggest for sure that we at least see a drop all the way down to the $53,000 level. The $53,000 level in this case is not only the breakdown target of our massive rising wedge we have here. The breakdown target is actually the $54,000 level. So it's not only this price level actually. No, guys, it is actually also where the most important weekly supports are coming in. It is where our weekly EMA ribbons are. It is where our 8-year support and resistance weekly support is coming in. It is where our symmetrical triangle past resistance is now acting as support, where our symmetrical triangle support is now acting as support. So this $53,000 to $48,000 price level, it's an immense level of support. So I'm really not expecting the Bitcoin price to fall below that. But if we now close our 12-hour daily candle below the $58,500 level, chances definitely increase dramatically. The thing is, we only have 6 hours left now to push the price back above. So we actually need to see a very bullish 4-hourly candle for the next 4-hourly candle that would need to push us in the range of the $95,000 level, and even that would not be enough, guys. We would need to close this 4-hourly candle above the $58,500 level, because in the worst case we are pushing above it, we are getting rejected here at past 4-hourly support, we are seeing then a push above the resistance, but actually we are then getting sold off again. We are just seeing a quick wick above the $58,500 level, and then the next 12-hourly candle, which is the relevant close, will still be below our $58,500 level. So we really need to see the bulls picking up steam now within the next 6 hours. Otherwise, I think it is not looking good for the Bitcoin in the immediate short term, at least. And that is why, guys, just be prepared. I'm telling you this since multiple days now. When we reached the new all-time high, I was again a person that said, guys, be careful, we are not above the 11-year resistance. As long as we're not above the 11-year resistance, we can still see a drop all the way down to the $53,000 level, and people were laughing at me, guys. The comment section was full of people laughing, typing bad comments, saying, haha, we will now pump, you are wrong. But no, guys, I told you, be careful, be prepared for this dump, and that's why me personally, since I don't think this bull run is over, I opened a long trade at the $64,000 level, a very high entry price. But I only used the 4x leverage because I knew the chances are there that we are seeing this correction down to the $53,000 level. And if we are now correcting more to the downside, I will scale up this trade, and then I will have a perfect $1 million, $2 million trade at an entry price below the $60,000 level. And I even was prepared for the case that we would have just skyrocketed more to the upside. So this was actually exactly what I was aiming for. This drop is actually even good for this trade, because I have the chances to scale it now up more and even get a better long entry price, guys. So if your trade is right now in a minus and you did the same as I did with a 4x leverage, for example, or a 3x leverage only in the best case, you can actually be happy right now that we dropped to the downside. This is just another opportunity to scale up your swing trade and have a better swing trade entry. But guys, please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm personally doing. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, you know exactly what the Bitcoin price has to do within the next 6 hours. And other than that, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, follow the VLaunch Twitter, join the Telegram groups, don't miss your free ID or location, and then we are going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.